Hello all. In continuation to my previous bibliometric related videos, I'm going to add and I'm going to introduce two more online tools which are available, which will add value to your bibliometric or scientometric paper. The two tools which I'm talking about is termed as iMapBuilder and WordCloud. These two are available on their website for free of cost to use it for all the researchers and students. I'm Dr. Preeti Mule again from Department of Computer Science and Information Technology from Sindhurst Institute of Technology, Pune, India. So I'm going to cover primarily about these two tools, iMapBuilder and WordCloud. And as I said earlier, it is going to be a value add to the bibliometric survey papers for sure. So let me walk you through these two services. And the prerequisite before we start using these services are go to the scopus.com website, fire a query from your specific research domain, press analyze result, and go to the country's bar graph. Then download that country information, and this information will be useful to generate the world map related to your specific research. These countries' details need to be downloaded in the form of CSV file. Alright. Now, in addition to downloading the country related information, I sincerely request you to download few impactful papers from your research domain. These impactful papers could be highly cited papers or could be the papers which you feel that are very important in your specific research area. So these papers will be useful for creation of word clouds. And how to create word clouds and what are the importance of word clouds, I'll let you know in some time from now. It is also advisable to repeat this information, repeat these prerequisite steps with Web of Science portal as well, so that you'll get a comparative analysis to add it in your bibliometric or scientometric paper. So this is how the wordclouds.com website looks like. Go to Google and type this and you will get this kind of a specific first page of wordclouds.com. And if you can observe carefully, there is a wizard, and if you are the first time user of this particular website, then click that wizard and that will walk you through how to create a word cloud. Otherwise, I'll tell you the step-by-step procedure about creating the word file, word clouds from the next PPT onwards. Now, here, as I mentioned earlier, we need to give first impactful research paper from your research domain, its PDF file, to this wordclouds.com. So go to the file menu and say open PDF document, right? And once you give a specific document, this is how the word cloud can be created. Now here is an example of my own paper, and I have given that particular paper to the wordclouds.com, its PDF file, and the paper is published in the Electricity Journal. This is related to smart meter analysis of electricity data, and hence I have chosen this kind of a shape of a plug pin, and this is how the beautiful word cloud is created. This word cloud is created by using all the words which are used or available or visible in that paper. All words. Okay, I have not deleted any word from that particular paper. So here is the link of this paper. You can download this paper for few days from now. It is available for free of cost, and this is the title of the paper. And with my senior research fellow Archana Chaudhary, I have written this paper. Now, what I would like to tell you is that it is not compulsory to make use of all the words which appear in the paper to create a word cloud. You can pick and choose few words. So to do that, press a word list tab, a menu, and this is the kind of list which appears in front of your eyes. This list tells you the frequency of words used in the paper. For example, electricity word is used 60 times in my paper. Consumption is used 49 times in my paper. So it is feasible for the user to pick and choose the specific keywords which you want to create a word cloud with, or depending upon the frequency. For example, if I do not want the words which might have appeared for once or twice in the paper to be a part of the word cloud, I can simply go ahead and delete those words from this words list. Okay, so this is how I can delete the words. Say for example, the words shows, types, my name Preeti, done, contains, figures. These are not important words. They may not be in the. They may not be a part of word cloud. Different plurals of this single word need not be a part of my word cloud. It is also advisable to delete repeat words so that the word clouds which will be created will be a final word cloud which will add value to your bibliometric paper. How it adds value to your bibliometric paper? Let me explain. The Scopus and Web of Science portal starts with a list of keywords from the user. You fire a query by giving a list of impactful keywords from your research domain. Then the Scopus and Web of Science fetches words, impactful words from different authors, which are a dominant author or eminent author in that research area or most cited papers. From there, it fetches a list of keywords, and now if you create a word cloud from the impactful keywords, there will be 3 levels of validation of words, keywords. The first level is the keywords given by the user when the query is fired. Second is a list of keywords which are used by the different eminent authors, and third is the keywords list which is available in the form of word cloud. So this is the final word cloud which is created based on my paper, which is with a specific words which are important. In addition to this, how to choose the shape of your word cloud is given here. There is a menu called shape, and if you can observe, in all the icons are given in black color, and the icon which I have selected, the plug pen, is highlighted in blue color. The background is blue. So these are the various shapes which are available in the shape menu. Next to the shapes tab, there is a tab called letters, and it is feasible for you to create your word cloud in the form of letters A to Z, digits 0 to 1, and some special characters too. In addition to that, it is feasible to make word clouds in a colorful way. You can pick and choose some of the icons as visible on your screen. Now, in addition to creating word clouds and its shape and frequency of keywords, you may choose the size of this word cloud, the gap size between the two words, the theme of the color, the background, the color of the specific word, the size of the specific word, the font, etc. And once your word cloud is finalized, it is advisable to save this word cloud in the form of either PNG, JPG, PDF, etc. There is a special menu available. It is also feasible for you to share this word cloud online on various social media platforms. So the size, gap size, theme, font, and other menus are also available on WordClouds.com website. So this is how the word clouds can be created for high impact journal papers in your area and can be added in your bibliometric paper. Now let's move on to iMapBuilder.com. This particular website helps you to create interactive map based on your specific research area. So there are two possibilities. Either you may download the free trial of this iMapBuilder interactive map software or create map online. So a smart way is to create map online. So there is an online map editor. I'm going to walk you through that specific online map editor. So this is the next window of iMapBuilder. and there is no requirement of installation, no downloads. It directly runs in the browser and accessible everywhere on all the devices. So that's the beauty of iMapBuilder, and it is essential for you to sign up, create your account, and then log in using your login credential. Once you log in, then as I want to select a new world map, so I'll go to that specific icon. I'll give the name of my project called first map, and I'll say I want to create a world map, the first map in the form of world map. There is a possibility of creating other kinds of sorts of map, but right now I'm going to explain you how to create a world map. Then as I requested in the prerequisite slide, that it is essential to download and keep the CSV of countries details ready. So those countries details need to be pasted here. Press the import button. The moment you press the import button, the fourth menu is copy and paste from the spreadsheet, and there is a recommended option. So once you click on that option, this kind of screen appears, and as you can see on your left hand side, I have given all the countries related to my specific query which I filed in Scopus, and that those all countries details are pasted here in this particular section of iMapBuilder. Then if I keep pressing next button, then I come across different windows wherein they would like to confirm that I would like to create the world map based on the country's information. Then it is even possible to change the icon, icon and the style of the icon, the color of the icon. And once you done with all these detailing, then this kinds of world maps can be created. The first map is the default map, wherein it shows the presence of research worldwide related to my specific domain. And the second map which I have created is a satellite image. There is an option, press the option called satellite, and this kind of image is created. So based on your choice, you may keep one of these maps in your specific bibliometric or scientometric paper. If you have two different search queries and you would like to superimpose the details, the research domain details worldwide in one map, that is also feasible using iMapBuilder. So I wish to say thank you all for listening carefully this particular video. This is me, Dr. Preeti Mule here again. This is my email ID. So if you have any queries, suggestions, kindly give back to me on this email ID. In addition to this particular video, if you would like to go through my Research Scholar website, so this is a Google Scholar page here, and the Scopus papers which I have published till date along with my Research Scholars is available on the ORCID ID as well. So thank you once again for patient listening, and I hope you will definitely be benefited with this video. Thank you.